Here, seatbelt fully extended, and it's not ratcheting back in. It just it works. Well, when it's a fully extended, not ratcheting. Seatbelt number 2 is now stuck. Also has a ratcheting problem. It's not ratcheting, but the only way to unlock it is to actually spin the spindle manually to unlock it, which I cannot do once I cover everything and close the whole thing up. So that's a fail. Seat belt, this is what I mean by ratcheting. When it's all extended fully out, you hear the ratcheting? Yeah. The ones that you guys repaired, don't do that.